Okay, first of all, I hate it. Oh, I don't know, I'm so conflicted. Finally something in this haul that I actually like. Hello. How are you today? I'm amazing. One, because I have new clothes to open up and try on, and two, because I'm just happy. So ASOS had a little sale the last day, and I decided to hop on and buy a few items, and I'm very excited about it. I haven't bought myself any new clothes in I'd say it's been a month, and for me that's very, very good. I've just been trying to restrict my spending and just be a little smarter with my purchases. I was trying to go in the direction of quality over quantity, and I do kind of still want to go that route, but sometimes you just have to kind of have a bit of fun and just see and just get a few new items. So yeah, I've been trying to save up to buy better items less frequently, if that makes sense. So what you'd normally spend on like 10 items, you might spend on one or two. That's kind of my position. So anyway, it was so heavy. Oh my god, is that my dress? I didn't even get that much stuff. I spent about, oh god, what did I spend? Well, I saved €350. So I know that for a start, because that's what I added up, because I wanted to see how much I saved in this sale, because I only bought things that were 70% plus off, because I wanted to kind of make myself feel better. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be opening that box, trying a few items and seeing what looks good. And I'm thinking everything's going to look amazing, because I mean, normally things I buy just work. So yeah, let's get into this. Also, if I look exhausted, I am exhausted. I've just been working really hard recently, and I haven't had much, time to relax. So that's why. Okay, so first up is suit trousers. So recently I've been wearing my black silk ones far too often. So I wanted to get some new ones. These are River Island. These were down from something to something. Actually, let me check my phone, because when I tell you the savings on some of these items were fantastic, and they're the only reasons why I actually bought some of these items, which probably isn't good, but anyway. Okay, so they're originally $55.99, and I got them for $25.15, so I saved 55%. I know! Amazing, really. So these are them. Okay, to be honest, actually, I had a different thought there. You know what? I didn't like them, but I don't hate them. I just think they're too tight. Like, I feel like it makes my legs look like they're so chubby. It's all muscle. But like with an overshirt, because it kind of hides the, tight part of it, I don't hate. Actually, I should be in this mirror so you can actually see more of the actual trousers, James. I don't hate it, but I don't know, I'm so conflicted. If they weren't as tight on the thighs, then I think I would be in love with them. Because see, it's the seam. The seam disappears as it gets to here, and I don't like that. It's like Sophie's choice. Do I keep them or do I return them? I think I'm gonna return them, because they're not like making me happy, if that makes sense. I struggle with trousers anyway. I always have, and I always think I will. They never fit properly. Like, either it's the length or it's the tightness of them. I'm sickened, because I really was excited about these as well. On the model, they look so good. I'd love to know what size he was wearing, or like what his body proportions are, because unless your legs are literally like a stick, these are gonna look awful on you. Well, I mean, unless you like the super tight look. I personally don't. At the moment, I mean, who knows? I might change my mind in a year's time. I just feel like it's almost the same color as the wall. Like, you can see my phone in the trousers. That's not going to work, sweetie. It's not going to work. So for that reason, I think I'm going to be returning these. Okay, next up, another pair of trousers. Fantastic. I think I have hope for these ones, because these were tall, and they're 36-inch legs. Now, mine are only 34, so I'm interested to see kind of how long these are and how they work. And they do seem quite long. Okay, let's just hope they're not tight. because then I'll actually have an anxiety attack and I'll cry. But let's try these on. Okay, this is the next pair. And to be honest, I don't hate these. I love the color, I love the material, and I love the fit of them. I mean, obviously, yes, they do need to be taken in. I'll have like a clip on screen maybe. I think if you're a girl and you had like heels and stuff, then the length would be fine, but just, I don't like how it crumbles at the bottom. And just kind of, I mean, I think for certain outfits it'll probably work, you know, but realistically I don't want to wear these with just a couple of outfits. I want them to work with everything. So at least with everything, if they were kind of hemmed like a few inches, like just so they kind of fell a bit nicer, kind of just above the ankle, I think we'd be on to a winner. And at least they look a bit cleaner and, you know, put together, because they are like suit trousers, so you know they should be. And I'm, you know, to be honest, I prefer them being a bit longer. At least they can be, you know, shortened instead of being too short, and then you can't like lengthen them, so you're kind of stuck. But like at least now you have the option. I'm talking as if, you know, they're your trousers and I'm giving you some advice on how to work them. But yeah, I do like these. These are from, oh my god, where are they from? Harry Brown. I'll keep them and get them hemmed. So, hey! Good on us. Okay, that's 2 items. Now, I also got this top. I'm actually interested to see what this looks like. Because I've never owned a top like this before. And this was an amazing deal. Oh my goodness, when I tell you I saved money with these. Oh my gosh, this actually gets me so excited. Okay, so let me just tell you how much I saved. This was retails for €103.99. I got it for €34.99. No, actually, I got it for less than that. They're obviously not still on sale to the extent I bought them for, because I got them for 76% off, so whatever that is. But yeah, let's try it on. Bang! Okay, first of all, I hate it. I'm nowhere near built enough to pull off something like this. Ew, I hate it so much. Oh no, this is not for me. Okay, no, unless the neck was like way higher. Let's just erase this one from our memories, shall we? Maybe if I pull the arms up a bit more. I just feel like it's very, I don't know, shapeless or something. Will I keep it? I was thinking it was €103 and I got it for 27, so, or 20, whatever, in the 20s anyway. So I might keep it just because of that saving. But do I like how I look in it? No. So will I be wearing it anytime soon? No. Now it might be a good layering, you know, piece, like, you know, an under kind of whatever, you know, to layer on top of it. But as a standalone piece, it should be sitting in the closet. I know, I need to change it a bit. Okay, what's next? Another one from Gianni Fraud. Just gonna bypass that last name. This I'm excited for. This is like a brown kind of, you know, high neck, and I'm loving high necks recently, so I'm excited to see what this one looks like, and I think I have a good feeling about it. So let's just okay, so I love this. I really like this top. I love the material. I love how soft it feels. Oh my god, it's so soft. And I love the high neck. I love the color. Oh yeah, this is it. Finally, something in this haul that I actually like. I wanted to get more into these. Like, imagine this with like black leather and just because there's a few other items that I have on my radar that I think will look really cool with this. So this item is a winner in my book. So I'm very happy with this. And yeah, I like these together, like this combo, the brown and the grey. I think it's very nice. Okay, so next item is a blazer, because you know I love my blazers. Oh my god, it's stuck. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have another item that I didn't even realize was there. You know I love my blazers, so I got another blazer. This one is, oh, it feels soft. I like the feeling of that. A navy one. I've had this on my save list for a while, so I'm excited to see kind of what it looks like. I like that it comes in like the cheap suit bags. Let's see a look. Oh, that's nice. Ooh. What? Why is it so long? Why do I look like? I'm sorry, but no, this should not be coming past like here. No! No! Oh, I'm so sad. I had such high hopes for this, and to let me down like this. Oh, because look at these colours together. Even the button is like so low down. Like, I mean, realistically, I'm sorry, who's gonna go wearing this? Why is this so long? I just don't understand the logic behind this. And then why does it nip in at the waist? No, this is a straight no. I'm so disappointed. I cannot believe ASOS done me like this. I mean, nice pockets and stuff, but just, this is just not it. I am so disappointed. I can't fathom it. Oh my god, it's a sickener now, that is. Okay, well, anyway, let's move on from that one because I'm quite sad about it. Well, this haul has been such a success. The postman's going to love to see me coming now on Monday. Next item is a turtleneck because, you know, it's autumn winter time, so of course, because I don't have enough turtlenecks, I had to get a bottle green one. And I'm actually very excited to see what this one looks like. And normally I'm not a big fan of like the ribbed lines, but you know, we're just going to, it actually doesn't look that, actually no, it probably is. Okay, right. Oh, I feel like this is going to be good. I feel like this is going to rejuvenate me and just make me feel 10 times better about myself. So let's just put this on to make myself feel happier. Boom. Okay, yeah, I mean, yeah, I do love this. I knew I was going to love this. I mean, to be honest, to me it looks kind of, it's a bit of a purple tint to it, is it not? I won't say it's bottle green. I'd say there's a mix of a few colors in here. I love the top, I love the color, I love the neckline, I love like everything about it. As you can tell, I love green, so oh, I love green. So I knew this was going to be a winner from the get-go. So yeah, I like this. I definitely recommend picking this one up if you want to. Okay, there's one more item. So because I got that stuff in the sale, I got 2 items prior to this. I mean, you can't even see me, but I'm here. It's okay, guys, I'm still here. It's another blazer. It's from Collusion, and I worked this week at work. That's why it's out of the packaging, because, you know, I have no patience. I'm not going to, I was thinking my first impressions because I've already worn it. See, this tone of green is very cold, but I don't hate this. See, the thing I don't like about this blazer is it's not a blazer. It's not a blazer. It's very thin. And as much as I hated that long blazer, as much as I hated that blazer, it felt like a blazer. It was thick and it was, like, it felt nice. This feels like an overshirt with some padding. That's what it feels like. So I don't think it's worth the price of a blazer. It's from Collusion, by the way. So I think it should be priced more as like an overshirt or like a shacket or something. Like maybe in the 20 to 30 region instead of the 50 region. I think it's a bit excessive for what it is. But you know, that's only my humble opinion. But yeah, oh my god, it's a bit itchy, this, not going to lie. I feel like I'm suffocating. I also got a pair of trousers, but I mean, I don't really want to put them on. A bit too lazy. They're just like a pair of corduroy brown ones. But I got them like a week before these, so it doesn't really count as part of the haul. But I was going to throw it in just to fill the video a bit more. Anyway, it explodes. But yeah, I do like this blazer. But my favourite items are definitely this. Is that it? Okay, well, out of the entire haul, I only like 2 items. I like these trousers as well, once they're like hemmed. So basically, these 3 were my favourite items. So I'll have a busy day at the post office tomorrow, returning all the rest of them, because I've decided that if I don't like it or it doesn't make me happy, it's gone. I'm not even giving it a second thought or thinking, oh, I might wear it in the future. Like, no, it's gone, because at the moment, I don't have enough space in my wardrobe for all of it. So that's why I made it a bit more strict. Also, like, it means I have more room for nicer things. But that's my haul, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what your favourite piece was down in the comment section, and hopefully I'll be able to get to do some more of these soon. Oh, my memory's about to go, and I don't want to delete content. So, if you're hearing this, it means that my memory card decided to fill up on itself and shut the video off early. But as I was saying, I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know what your favourite item was, and I will see you in the next one. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also hit that like button, and also yeah, comment. And I'll see you next one. Bye.